NorCal Cirrus 648 Charlie Bravo.
Number 46, correction 648 Charlie Bravo, NorCal, approach open altimeter 30, correction 2979er, to maintain 6000.
2979er and out of 7 for 6 for 8 Charlie Bravo.
So maybe he's having that guy.
This time I'm not going to accept anything.
49, contact Oakland Tower 127.2.
Yeah, it's probably safest.
This time I'm just going to say, no, sorry.
November 648 Charlie Bravo, cross Jobus at or above 5,700, cleared RNAV, runway 28 left, circle to land, runway 10 right.
Cross Jobus at or above 5,000 and cleared RNAV 28 left, circle to land right for 8 Charlie Bravo.
And 8 Charlie Bravo at 5,700 till established.
5,700 established, 8 Charlie Bravo.
5 kilo, turn left heading 230, join the localizer.
Left 320, join the localizer 805.
So 5,700 is the first one.
Verify heading 230.
And then it is
230, 805 kilo.
4,800.
4,800.
Bravo, cancel approach clearance, fly heading 330, back to sequence, maintain 6,000.
Was that for 8 Charlie Bravo?
3767, 5 miles from my turn right heading 270, maintain 3,000, still established on the localizer, cleared ILS, right 30 approach.
270, 3,000, cleared ILS, 30, Southwest 3767.
648 Charlie Bravo, affirmative cancel approach clearance, fly heading 340, back to the sequence, maintain 6,000.
8 Charlie Bravo negative, we're low on fuel, sir.
8 Charlie Bravo, are you minimum fuel?
Declaring minimum fuel, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Charlie Bravo, Roger, continue on the approach.
Roger that, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Yeah, I think that's probably for the best.
Yeah, I can't take this anymore, yeah.
With all the other airports being pretty low.
Sure.
If we have to do a mist.
5 kilo, turn left heading 210, and maintain 3,400.
10, maintain 3,400, you said?
Affirmative, 3,400.
3,400. Still want to finish up the localizer?
5 kilo, affirmative, I'll give you a turn on, no air momentarily. Number 648 Charlie Bravo, Hayward, wind 1805, would you prefer a straight in for 28 left?
Affirmative, that'd be great. 28 left, straight in would be nice, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Charlie Bravo, Roger, you can clear for the RNAV runway 28 left approach, and you can land on, or 28 left.
Roger that, clear 28 left, straight in approach, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Southwest, correction over 805 kilo, turn right heading 250.
Well, that makes it easier.
Yep.
250, jump the localizer 805 kilo.
Also 3767, contact Oakland Tower 17.2.
See ya. NorCal Southwest 1977, descending out of 8,000 for 7,000.
Alright, so that's Jobus.
1977 NorCal, first go on 279.
Ahead.
Did not turn?
Southwest 1977.
I think it's turning. Or no, is it? Is it not?
It is, it's trying to kind of, yeah it is, it's fine. It's
48 knots.
Yeah.
I think that's the issue, yeah.
That's the issue,
I think it's actually on course, it's just a huge crosswind. So we can go down to 4,800 here.
Yep, okay.
Central aircraft, Oakland Airport formation, Tango current, wind 28005, Oakland altimeter 2979er. Cleared ILS runway 28 ready.
Yikes, that's a heck of a grab.
49.
805 kilo.
Southwest 1977, reduce speed to 170.
Solar 1709, Southwest 1977.
After
5 kilo,
Oakland,
link trail today, contact Oakland Tower 18.3.
3,900.
18.3, 805 kilo, good day.
Let's do a bit of a...
Southwest 1977, turn right heading 330, vector for minimum fuel aircraft and on the Hayward.
Right turn 330, Southwest 1977.
Okay, it'd be like 48 knots of...
I'm guessing there's going to be some bumps when we get the transition, right? Because it can't be that on the ground.
Wow, I've never seen that sort of a crosswind, man.
Yeah, that's wild.
On an approach. Yikes.
1977, so maintain 6,000.
Should maintain 6,000, Southwest 1977.
Aircraft, Hayward Airport formation, Zulu now current, wind 1805 at Hayward, visibility 1 and 1.25. Few clouds, 1,200, ceiling 1,800, overcast. Landing runway 28 left.
Light slope capture is at 3,200 technically.
Southwest 1977, turn left heading 220.
Left turn heading 220, Southwest 1977.
Just outside of Sudge. There you go, glide slope armed.
Nice.
And captured actually. No, it's actually armed.
And what does it do when it captures it? Does it change the color or something?
Colors to green.
Okay.
Now approach coming 305 Yankee level at 8,000 on the Grove.
Number 3053 Yankee Hotel approach, open altimeter
airspace
29er,
ahead.
79ers, and maintain 7000.
7005 Yankee.
Airspace ahead.
Norris 648 Charlie Bravo, contact Hayward Tower 120.2.
120.2 for 8 Charlie Bravo. Hayward Tower, Cirrus 648 Charlie Bravo on the GPS, runway 28 left.
Cirrus 648 Charlie Bravo, Hayward Tower, roger, runway 28 left, clear to land, wind 190 at 5.
28 left, clear to land, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Cirrus 8 Charlie Bravo, request flight conditions.
We're about 2600 descending, still in the clouds. And light to moderate precipitation.
So Fenrir to Beaugray, we can get down to 1360. I guess we're on the glide slope though, huh? Oh, it's captured now? Or,
No, it's not
still looking
doing
for
that. I don't know why. There you go. Bloody thing. Got me all worried. Like, why is it not capturing the damn glide slope?
Yeah, it's annoying. Boy, the wind got a lot calmer, but it
Calmer, yeah.
feel too many bumps.
Alright, so glide slope's active. So we're descending out of 1900, 1800.
And the minimums are 348.
340.
And you got the altimeter setting.
Yep, 29er, 79er. We ask him again?
It's up to you.
Hayward, what's the altimeter setting again?
Hayward altimeter 29er, 77.
29er, 77, Charlie.
Yeah, I can see it here too.
Alright. That's what I call a beautiful approach.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
$500.
The runway? Yep, I see it. Runway in sight.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Alright, perfect. Wow, that is what I call approach to minimums, man.
Man, that's definitely minimums.
Cool.
Hayward Tower, Duke 999, sir, whiskey's ready for takeoff.
Traffic.
Duke 420 Juliet Delta, Hayward Tower, hold for release. Correction, Duke 999er, Sierra Whiskey, Hayward Tower, hold for release.
Traffic.
Yeah, it's definitely the lowest approach I've done.
I've been to. Exactly. Me too.
Wow. Yeah, I was
We
wondering if we were
executed
going
that
I thought for a
perfection.
second we were going to have to go miss, but
Me too.
it came just in time.
Oh.
It's a little slippery.
Kind of slippery.
Sirius 8 Charlie Bravo, turn right at Echo, cross runway 28 right, in contact ground point 4.
Right at Echo and ground point 4 after crossing to it right. 8 Charlie Bravo. Ooh, it's really slippery.
Yeah, wow. Having some kind of show here, it looks like.
Yeah, today was the